Hi all, so this is part 3 of the Anker, the famous Anker. You see, this is what left of it, and it was quite annoying to take the cells from this box and very complicated. I am using a Dremel to do it, but it is not recommended. You see this tool? It is not recommended because if I would cut one of these cells, so probably there will be explosion. I did it very carefully because I am very careful at these things, but I wouldn't recommend it others to do it. Okay, so another interesting thing before going to see the cells and how it works, by the way, I've come to conclusion that the two dot here is temperature sensor, and this is the contact of all the battery. How did I get to the conclusion later? But see about this board that I already cut out, and there are connector between the bottom board and the upper. The bottom has the power on, and let's see, I will connect it to power and I will show you. You see, it is still working without cell connected, and it is showing 100%. Nothing is connected, guys. And now it gives the tested temperature. Problem with temperature is too low because the temperature is not connected, but you see 100%, nothing is connected. So this is a false measuring of the cells. I don't understand how they done it. Yeah, and it is charging. This is the most interesting. So the board is still working, but about the cells, I had to cut it very slowly. And this is, by the way, the part of the end of the PCB is connected to this contact. There is a specific charger for this. And there are two magnets here. You can see that the magnets, yeah, in order to keep it in place on its charger. This is just a PCB with magnet and going to the main board. Leave it aside. Now let's look at the voltage of the cells. This is the other very interesting, because if you remember, when we measured on the board, it showed 1.2 volt, and now it is showing 14.6 volt, which means something is wrong with contact or the PCB or something. Let's try to take it apart, because I see the connector between all the cells, and all the cells are probably connected in serial and not in parallel. Let's try to remove. Yeah, you see, it goes out. It goes out. There are connector between those cells. And now is the most curious to see the cells and what is going on with them. So here we have 3 cells and here we have 4. So all connected in serial. Okay, you see, the cell in the middle is 0. So we have a problem in the second cell. This is something that Anker should see. Brand new second cell 0. This one is 1 volt and this one is 3.3. So 2 cells here, a new device are destroyed, not working. 2 cells out of the 3. Now, in order to see what is happening here, I will need to take out, yeah, this isolator. Okay, there is isolator between the first PCB and the second. Let's see this one. So this says is okay, first one. This is the second, okay. Second is okay. This is the third, okay. And this is the last, okay. So, which means out of 7 cells, 2 non-functional. 2 cells are dead. this is the reason that this Anker stopped working. What it did, the BMS was checking that the cells voltage is okay, and since it was not okay, so it decided to cut it off. So this is all I have, and Anker, shame on you, because I'm doing the reverse engineering everything, and you do not take responsibility for this problematic unit, although I don't have invoice. This is a brand new, I think this is maybe a little more than a year on the market, not more than that, and it is not working. So thank you all and bye.